Hello everybody, welcome back to Glastonbury Designs. Glad you're able to join us and we're blessed to have you. So what we're going to be doing today, if you just saw me load up the truck, we're going to be driving about an hour from here. I got a call a few days ago about some black walnut that's at a construction site. I've had the opportunity to go get that off the construction site. I have to load all my tools into the truck because I actually have to mill it there. So we're not going to haul logs, we're going to go there on site, we're going to slab it. It's probably going to be about a 3 or 4 day job. I'll try to get a video of each segment of the process so you all can come along and join me in recovering that walnut. I've been told it's got about an 18-inch trunk on it, and there's some crotch logs, there's some straight logs, so I don't know exactly what we're coming into, but the price was right. They said if I could come clean it off the building lot, I could have it, so I got it at least down here to where the logs are. There's 6 logs. They're about 6 feet long each, like I mentioned up at the house. They range anywhere between 1 foot, 18 inches wide. Some of them have started to check already. They've been down for a little over a week, or right around a week. I'll take you around the logs so you can see the checks. We're going to go ahead and try to mill out 2 of them, maybe 3 of them today. It's getting windy today, so we're going to have to contend with that. We're also right next to an airport. So let me get you a view of the logs here on either end where you can see the check there. So these are the logs, all black walnut. There are some smaller pieces over there. We'll probably take those as well. But right down here, they're pretty heavily checked in multiple directions, which is fine. We can work with that. And we'll try to work with it and get them all milled up. Pretty excited about it. I've never had any walnut, so you stay with me. I'll get the truck unloaded, get everything out here, and we'll get working on them. There we go. Trying to get some nice graining there. Get the ladder reattached and keep going. I got to be careful because the last time I canted the ladder off to this side so I didn't have to deal with the bar and the guide for the chainsaw, and I ended up actually rolling the saw up, and it gave me some uneven slabs. Trying to avoid that this time. Not bad, not bad. A little bit of rot right in there started. Don't know what that's going to turn into. But, really good feed. Pretty light too, not bad. Alright, let's see what we got here. Well, we're starting to get into it a little bit. Some couple of crotches going there, something going on right here, a little bit of a bullseye. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but there is some compression kind of grain going in right here, also right there, so that would put it right in here. We'll put some water on it when we get back to the house. I think we're pretty close to being all the way through the first log. This is the last cut we did. We got back down into the sapwood on the lower side. So I think I'm going to call this log good, move along to the next log. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. The only piece that's really got any brown in it is right here.